Hello, nice to see you. Okay, my name is Vivian. 大家也可以叫我叶琪。So 我是一位 lawyer. I have been a lawyer since 2016. I am a civil litigation lawyer. So civil litigation lawyer, there are multiple types of multiple areas of law under civil litigation. So I do mostly general litigation concerning commercial disputes, but my interest actually lies in family law. So I am focusing on improving my credentials in family law area as well. The reason that I'm focusing in family law because previously, a few years back, I feel that family law is an area of law where you can actually help impact people's life. The way that you handle the case, the way that you navigate the complexities of human emotion, I think it is something very challenging. And I think that fighting for the rights of an individual, like maybe the spouse or the parents in family cases, is very meaningful. So I am particularly interested in family law even at the beginning of my practice. But then I myself actually undergo divorce a few years back, and I am currently a single mother, and with that it actually gave me a new fresh perspective on family law and divorce in particular, because it is through my personal experience combined with multiple years of experience, combined with experience sharing from seniors, from reading, from basically my whole entire legal journey, I realized that when it comes to divorce, one thing that is often very overlooked is the mental health and emotional well-being of the person undergoing divorce, of the parties undergoing divorce, and also particularly children. So I hope to be able to make an impact to the society where people undergoing divorce can actually make a more informed decision and also create a better future for children that is stuck in divorce as well. Why do I say that I want to help more people to make an informed decision through divorce is basically I realized that after my own personal journey, I realized that when people are in divorce, usually emotion is very heightened, and most of the people they are in a flight or fight mode, and it is very hard for somebody to make a rational decision that won't impact their life for the long term. Because usually what I see from the cases from my clients is that when they are divorcing, they are just filled with grief, they are filled with anger, and they just want it to end. So when this happens, the decision they made are not as informed as it should be. For example, when it comes to spousal maintenance or children maintenance, I have seen several cases where the wife basically just said that she wants out, she doesn't want any maintenance, she doesn't even want children maintenance. But at the end of the day, after the divorce, she is suffering, she's struggling very hard because she is unable to provide for the children. But in the court order, it states that she's not asking for child maintenance. So she lacked the financial support, which if early on she made an informed decision, she would realize that this is not a wise step. I should plan for my children better. I should have taken the maintenance or something along that line. So I have a personal mission whereby I hope that I can help more people to make informed decision when it comes to divorce. I am not saying don't divorce, because there are situations where actually divorce is the only option left. But if divorce is the only option left, I hope that these people, they can go through the process as calmly as possible with proper advice, with proper support, so that at the end of the divorce, they don't suffer any consequences that comes from a divorce made during emotional moments. So in order to have a more informed, have a better decision-making process, in order for myself to be able to help my clients more, I am also actually a mediator under Malaysian International Mediation Centre, and I am also a collaborative practitioner under IACP. So if you do not know, collaborative practitioner is where, in short layman terms, lawyers for the parties work together with either a mental health professional or a financial neutral to support the couple divorcing as proper as possible so that they can actually have a more holistic divorce. And this is actually beneficial for everybody in the family. So I started this series of podcasts because I wanted to educate the public and also help those people that are in very difficult situation where they are facing divorce and they are facing the family conflicts basically. I would like to share more on mental well-being, on personal wellness, on how to move on and how to heal properly after such a traumatic incident. I will also be inviting guests from various industries so that I can share more about what can be done or what do I find useful, because first-hand experience, it is not as easy or as pleasant as somebody thought. When you get divorced, it is not as simply as you walk out from the court and your life goes on as normal. It doesn't. It impacts you emotionally, it impacts you mentally, and we need help. We need help to heal, we need help to stand back up, and I hope that my channel will be able to help these people.